it's me, Bianca Jalu. So, for today, it's about getting to know me. And meron tayo ditong 15 questions. Nag-post ako sa IG and FB na gagawin kong content, which is ito nga. Naglagay ako doon ng pwedeng pagtayupan ng question. Meron tayong 15 questions. So, let's go. So, ang first question, galing siya kay Nepi Villanueva. So, sa Facebook ko to kinuha, guys. Ang tanong niya, what motivates you to join the YouTube world?
Huy, English agad.
Honestly, guys, as someone na nagsisimula pa lang sa vlogging or pag-YouTube, I think it's all about the pure love for storytelling and sharing moments with others. I'm just a regular girl, guys, trying to document my journey and experiences in a genuine way. And I think, guys, it's not about fame or fortune, but rather about connecting with people. Alam niyo yun, dun sa real level, and hopefully makapag-bring ako ng positivity sa mga buhay niyo. So, yeah, yun lang. Second question is, galing naman siya sa IG, guys. Galing kay Raj. Tell us about your elementary days. Okay. Back in my elementary days, guys, gusto ko na talaga yung mga pag-upload sa YouTube. Alam niyo yun, yung documenting yung every little adventure and moments na nangyayari sa buhay ko. Kahit yung audience ko lang ay yung sarili ko, ganon. Naalala ko pa nga nun, yung ginagamit kong pang-edit is yung Viva Video na app. Tapos, ang gamit ko pa nung camera is yung cellphone ko, which is yung Sony Xperia yata yun. Pero kasi, it wasn't about the views or subscribers back then. Parang it's about capturing and cherishing every moment, kung malaki man o maliit yan. Those humble beginnings kasi, guys, ay nakapagdala lalo sa passion ko. Sa pagkukwento and pagko-content creation, and grateful ako sa lahat ng pixelated moments na na-capture doon sa tiny screen noon. So, next question is sa IG ulit. Galing kay Fatima. So, sabi dito, how do you keep yourself motivated? So, guys, staying motivated, di naman siya yung daily guarantee for me. Like, katulad din ng iba, I have my fair share of unproductive and unmotivated days. Yung nakatulong sa akin para ma-acknowledge is yung it's okay to feel that way sometimes instead of forcing myself to be constantly motivated. Mas nagfo-focus ako sa pagiging kind sa sarili ko and finding small, alam niyo yun, ways to recharge and refocus. Alam niyo yung lalakad ka lang, ganan, listening sa mga uplifting music, o kaya bibigyan mo yung sarili mo ng permission para magpahinga. I've learned to embrace the ebbs and flows of motivation while keeping my long-term goals in sight. So, hindi yun about sa being perfect every day, but about showing up for myself, even on tough days, ganon, with patience and self-compassion. Next question is galing kay Aura Day. Kay Aura. Hi, Aura. So, ang tanong niya is, why did you pursue vlogging? So,
Grabe, ba't pari ko yung English?
pinursu ko ulit yung vlogging kasi nung maliit ako, nahanap ko na yung joy doon sa pagdadocument sa buhay ko. Kahit nire-record ko lang yung sarili ko, tapos i-upload ko yun sa YouTube. Yung, alam niyo yun, yung thought of capturing my growth and experiences was fulfilling enough. Meron din akong desire to preserve moments, to have something to look back kapag matanda na ako, ganun. And it's not about seeking attention or validation, guys. It's about, alam niyo yun, yung cherishing the journey, pag-embrace mo sa every step of the way, yung mga kagandahan sa pang-araw-araw na buhay natin. Ganun. So, galing ulit sa IG yung question, guys. Galing kay Aina Cute. Ang tanong niya is, what advice would you give to someone just starting out with vlogging? As someone na nag-i-start pa lang ulit sa vlogging, ang advice ko sa inyo is, follow your passion and magpakatotoo lang kayo sa sarili nyo. Kapag mahal nyo yung ginagawa nyo, keep pursuing forward or keep pushing forward. Tandaan nyo guys, as long as nag-e-enjoy kayo sa journey, ibig sabihin nun, you're on the right path. Okay. Okay. Galing kay Jed Diaz sa FB to guys. Bakit masarap magkape kapag gabi, tapos sabayan mo pa ng tinapay palaman bagong? Hindi ko alam guys, pero ako, parang mamamatay kasi ako kapag hindi ako nakakapagkape sa buong araw. Kaya ko yatang magkape sa isang araw ng 6 na beses. Anyways, kasabayan doon ng tinapay palaman bagoong. Bagoong or alamang. Hindi ko pa siya natratry guys. Pero ewan ko sa'yo mga Jed.
Laro ko na naman.
So, another question galing ulit kay Shaina. What's your biggest fear and how do you cope with it? Yung biggest fear ko guys is, alam nyo yun, yung failure. Pero to cope with it, pinapaalala ko lagi sa sarili ko na natural lang na mag-fail ka. Kasi part yun ng growth and learning. Instead of letting it paralyze me, ginagamit ko yun para ma-motivate and to keep pushing forward. Para matuto sa mga pagkakamali. And striving to improve every day. And next question is galing kay Sereka Gayutan _ sa IG ulit to guys. Tanong niya is, what's your college program? My college program guys is Business Administration, major in Marketing Management. So, next question is galing kay Miko Basa sa Facebook. Kung walang kamay ang mga ibon, then why do birds suddenly appear?
Isa pa to eh.
So, kung walang kamay ang mga ibon, then why do birds suddenly appear? Kasi, pag lumilipad sila, nakakapag-appear sila kasi up here. Okay, bye. Another question ulit kay Shaina. What's something about yourself that most people don't know? Okay.
Grabe ba talaga yung English?
Here's something most people don't know about me. I have passion for editing guys. Kahit yung tweaking photos or perfecting videos, ganun. Pero yung pinaka malupit is kapag naboboard ako guys, parang gusto kong magkapera ganun. Mahanap ako ng mga side gigs to earn some extra cash. Might be sounds strange guys, but sino namang aayaw sa pera? Especially kapag tumama yung pagka-board nyo. Ewan ko kung ako lang ba, pero kapag naboboard ako tapos wala akong magawa sa bahay, alam nyo yun, hahanap talaga ako ng way para makakita ng pera. Di ko alam. For example, i-pre-love ko yung mga damit ko, ganun, kaysa matamba, and etc. Basta, magkapera ako, ganun. Next question, galing kay Alaina Garci @_. Ang tanong niya, what are your non-negotiables in a relationship? Yung non-negotiable ko sa isang relationship is trust. Kasi kapag wala kang trust, it's difficult na mabuild yung strong and healthy relationship or connection with, with someone. Kasi guys, naniniwala ako sa open communication, honesty, and yung mutual respect and trust in... Yung trust kasi, for me, it's cornerstone of these values. Kapag yung trust is compromised, it's challenging kasi na ma-maintain yung fulfilling and lasting relationship. Next question is galing kay Zam.Mendoza. Favorite coffee shop or recos? Dami kong favorite na coffee shop. Pero yung mare-recommend ko sa'yo kung gusto mo ng aesthetic vibes, yung mga Instagrammable, yung sa Naz Coffee, located siya sa Balian, Pangi, Laguna. Ang sarap dun guys kasi parang yung vibe niya parang Starbucks ganan. And ang dami mong options. Pwede kang Nalimutan ko yung tawag doon guys eh. Pero papakita ko sa inyo yung video na yung latest favorite coffee I guess na na-try. Question is galing kay Diana_RV. Tanong niya is hobbies. So, ang hobbies ko lang is manood sa Netflix ng mga random movies or series, ganun. Tapos kain tulog lang ako guys.
Wala mo nin check.
Another question galing ulit kay Isere Kagayutan, skincare reveal. So, ito yung mga skincare ko guys. Maunti lang sila. Celatec, Beauty of Johnson. Galing to sa friend ko, bigay lang sa akin. Then, ito naman yung Glow. Sa Shopee ko siya binili. Isang set na yan guys. And then, ito yung last guys. Centella, galing din siya sa friend ko. Thank you guys. Sana nag-enjoy kayo.